And what were some of the health problems you were having before the water?
I had some cold sores that were going on, and Blake gave me some of the acid water to rinse my mouth out, and I used it probably like 3 to 4 times a day, sometimes 5. And I'd say within 3 to 6 days, they had gone.
Completely gone.
Yeah.
Just rinsing it out with the 2.5 acid water.
Mm-hmm.
So cool. And then what happened with your dentist appointment? Did you have any problems with
Oh,
that?
I've been using the acid water repeatedly, pretty much every day since he's been giving it to me, and I rinsed my mouth out before I went and got my teeth cleaned, and I hadn't eaten during the day, but yeah, she was like, "Wow, your teeth look really nice."
And is that what she normally would tell you after the dentist?
No, I don't really have very good teeth, so usually it's kind of hectic going to get my teeth clean. So that was a very positive thing for her to say, and it was pretty much like 10 to 15 minutes after I switched my mouth with the acid water. So
cool. Well, thanks for sharing.